Hi, my name is Pierre Walters, and this is an iBoss Teachable Moment. I'm so excited to be here to share with you just a brief moment on why building your brand is probably the best decision you could make as a business owner. Did you know that your brand is what sets you apart from your competition? Did you know that your brand is what keeps customers coming back for more? Well, building your brand is simple. It really just requires that you focus on three key pillars. Pillar number one is your identity. Who are you? Understanding who you are and being able to articulate that confidently is such a critical skill, and you can do it when you understand your mission, when you understand your vision, and when you understand why you show up every day to provide your service or product. But knowing your identity is only part of the equation. You've got to also know who your community is. Who are you talking to? Who are those potential customers? And why are they potential customers? Your community is absolutely critical because those are the people that are going to fall in love with your brand. Now, when you've established your community and when you clearly understand and can articulate your identity, now you're in a powerful position. You're now in the position where you can engage through conversation. And your conversation strategy is what really keeps those customers coming back. Are you providing blog posts? Are you engaged on social media? Are you producing video and photography that show off what you do and how passionate you and your team are? Well, a solid conversation strategy coupled with your identity and your community is how you can build a successful brand that not only wins over customers, but keeps them coming back for more.